If you're looking for the best shampoos for frizzy hair, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have PureNature Moroccan Argan Oil Shampoo. Some shampoos clean your locks and stop there. Others double as multiple other hair treatments and your beauty therapist all at once. This PureNature shampoo fits into the second category. The high level of hydration and nourishment provided makes it ideal for anyone struggling with frizziness. But that's not all it brings to the table. There are even ingredients that tackle hair loss, stop split ends, and provide UV protection. Whether your hair type is curly or straight, thick or fine, you can make this one work for you. It even works with hair that's undergone color or keratin treatment. Moving on to the next, at number 2 with Maui Moisture Smooth and Repair. Slightly frizzy hair can start to feel like an unfortunate fact of life if your locks are curly, thick, or chemically treated. But this Maui Moisture Shampoo pulls out all the stops to kick it into shape. It's also vegan, free from sulfates, silicones, and parabens. The ingredients list is almost completely natural, with no artificial fragrances in sight. Gentler surfactants are used in place of drying options like SLS. However, it does contain PEGs and PPGs, which some people avoid for causing environmental damage. Another consideration is that this shampoo is primarily for coarse and curly hair. If your hair is fine and oily, it might not be a match made in heaven. Consider trying the Davines Love Smoothing Shampoo instead. The number 3 position is held by Redken Frizz Dismiss. Redken recently switched up the Frizz Dismiss formula to eliminate sodium chloride and SLS. Now, it opts for gentler surfactants instead, focused on making your hair smooth and silky. This is a shampoo that does an excellent job of fighting flyaways and static hair. As a bonus, it smells really good. However, there are a few ingredients that could cause problems for some people. It has the anti-foaming agent dimethicone, which is a silicone that can contribute to greasiness over time, and a little alcohol. But there's a solution. Using a clarifying shampoo like Matrix Total Results once a week can cut down on the buildup of chemicals and grease in your hair. Next, at number 4 we have Matrix Total Results Mega Sleek Shampoo. If you've been battling with frizzy hair for a long time, you might have unintentionally left your hair with a huge buildup of chemicals and products. A regular shampoo can't get all this out, but a clarifying shampoo like Matrix Total Results can. A thorough cleanse and a sleek finish, not a bad combo, huh? When it comes to the ingredients list, there's some good news and some bad news. The bad? It contains the harsh surfactant SLS, the silicone dimethicone, and artificial fragrances. This combination of harsh ingredients might sound disappointing, but remember, we're talking about a clarifying shampoo here. It needs some harsher than average items to achieve a thorough cleanse. The number 5 position is held by BIOLAGE Smoothproof Camellia Shampoo. High humidity is a key contributor to frizzy hair. But unless you're willing to move to an entirely new location, there's not a lot you can do to tackle the root cause. Thankfully, you can tackle the consequence. The BIOLAGE Smoothproof Shampoo promises to fend off frizziness in up to 97% humidity. Color-treated hair is one of the hardest hair types to find the right product for. Unfortunately, the chemical treatment it's undergone also makes it more likely to be frizzy and dry. Thankfully, BIOLAGE has created a formula that's perfect for dyed or highlighted hair. Of course, you don't need to have color-treated hair to benefit. A word of caution, though. Although it's free from parabens, the shampoo does contain SLS and artificial fragrances, which anyone with a more sensitive scalp might want to take into consideration. If you'd prefer something gentler, consider the Maui shampoo instead. The number 6 position is dominated by Dove Nutritive Solutions Oil Therapy. The non-greasy formula of the Dove Nutritive Solutions shampoo makes it ideal for anyone with dry and frizzy hair. And it's also gentle enough for everyday use. You might be surprised that a shampoo claiming to be light contains sulfates, but the difference between this Dove shampoo and other products with SLS is the concentration used. Dove uses a larger concentration of lighter surfactants like cothimidopropylbutadiene, with SLS further down the ingredients list. However, it also contains artificial colors and fragrances, which is disappointing. Moving on to the next, at number 7 with Kerastase Discipline Bain Fluidealiste Smooth in Motion. The Kerastase Fluidealiste shampoo might seem like a regular shampoo at first, but in reality, it's anything but. A few extra special ingredients make it especially useful for thick, coarse hair that becomes tangled easily. the first in morphokeratin, a cationic polymer. That means it coats each hair fiber to smooth them from within. No matter how unruly your hair gets, this cutting-edge technology will help to get things in order again. And that's not all. It also contains a surface perfector to make your hair easier to detangle, a true lifesaver when you just don't have the energy to spend half an hour going through your locks with a comb. You might be concerned that turning to shampoo to detangle your hair is damaging, but a restorative care agent in the shampoo takes care of that. The number 8 position is held by Davines Love Smoothing Shampoo. We all want to tame our frizzy hair, but going too far by loading it with chemicals can cause more harm than good. The Davines Love Smoothing Shampoo helps you find a happy medium by providing a little bit of both. Davines is an Italian brand focused on sustainability and beauty. Its Love Shampoo wants you to have smooth and frizz-free hair without using harsh surfactants like SLS to get there. Thanks to the sustainably sourced ingredients Davines uses, you can purchase it guilt-free. However, although it's less chemical-laden than other shampoos built to tackle frizz, it's not quite perfect. The shampoo does contain artificial fragrances and small concentrations of alcohol. Next, at number 9, we have Frieda Frizz Flawlessly Straight. Wouldn't your life be so much easier if you could step straight out the shower, dry your hair, and find that your locks are smooth and ready for further styling? The aim of Frieda's Flawlessly Straight shampoo is to get you to that point. Although it won't straighten your hair itself, it will make the process a lot easier when you get your iron out. Sadly, it might not work for everyone. The shampoo is designed to help with hair of medium thickness and a wavy consistency. If you have natural curly hair or extremely thick hair, it's less likely to be completely successful at tackling the frizz. A better option for thick hair is the Kerastase Discipline Bain. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Nexxus Frizz Defy Shampoo. If you love heat treatments a little too much, you might have found yourself with damaged, frizzy hair. No worries, a protein treatment can restore your hair to its former glory. And although we've looked at a few of them so far, the Nexxus Frizz Defy definitely stands out. The downside is that not all the ingredients are as great as the proteins. There are harsh chemicals like SLS and sodium chloride, plus minor problems like artificial fragrances. Proceed with caution and consider an alternative like Maui. The Maui shampoo. Hydrolyzed elastin and hydrolyzed keratin work together to build your hair back to the strength it had before heat treatment and damage, restoring broken bonds. Keratin is a protein often used for deluxe, upmarket hair treatments, while collagen is a naturally occurring protein from fish that detangles hair and makes it glossier. Basically, you're in safe hands. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.